Hello everyone! Is your car struggling to shift gears smoothly? Do you feel a delay or jerking when accelerating? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0760 Shift Solenoid C Malfunction, it means your transmission isn't shifting properly, which can cause serious drivability issues. In this video I'll explain what P0760 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors responsible for this issue. Let's get started. What is P0760? The P0760 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects a problem with Shift Solenoid C, preventing the transmission from shifting correctly. Ignoring this issue can cause harsh or delayed shifting, transmission slipping, check engine light on limp mode activation, poor fuel economy, overheating transmission. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the components responsible for the issue. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0760, check these important components. Shift Solenoid C location, inside the transmission valve body, near the transmission pan. Function, controls hydraulic pressure to shift gears properly. Transmission fluid pressure, TFP. Sensor location, mounted on the transmission case, near the valve body. Function, monitors hydraulic pressure to ensure smooth gear shifting. Transmission input speed sensor, ISS sensor, location, on the transmission case near the input shaft. Function, measures input shaft speed for accurate gear shifting. Transmission control module, TCM, powertrain control module, PCM, location, typically under the hood, near the firewall or battery. Function, controls solenoid operation and overall transmission function. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the solenoids, sensors and PCM. Function, ensures proper electrical signals. Damaged wiring can lead to transmission failure. Common causes of P0760 faulty Shift Solenoid C. If it's stuck, shifting will be affected. Damaged wiring or connectors. Corrosion, loose connections or short circuits can cause malfunction. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty fluid can block solenoid operation. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. Incorrect pressure readings can prevent smooth shifting. PCM/TCM software issues. A software update or reset may be required. Internal transmission problems. A damaged valve body or clutch pack may need replacement. How to fix P0760. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid, ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect Shift Solenoid C, test for electrical continuity with a multimeter. Step 3. Check the transmission fluid pressure sensor, compare its readings with expected values. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors, look for loose, corroded or broken wires. Step 5. Test the input speed sensor, ISS. Ensure readings match expected values. Step 6. Examine the PCM/TCM connections, make sure they're clean and securely attached. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check for improvements. Final words. If left unfixed, P0760 can cause major transmission issues and expensive repairs. Diagnosing the problem early can save you from a costly breakdown. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0386, crankshaft position sensor. B, circuit range performance. P0387, crankshaft position sensor. B, circuit low. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.